Okay, today we will explain you the new iron gun AGZ IV, the new iron gun introduced by SSD Japan, and this iron gun works on high frequency fourth generation technology. Fourth generation means the iron is produced at 2 kV. There are people who are selling high frequency, but they are not fourth generation. They are the first generation technology. So be careful. The fourth generation, which is generating the iron at 2 kV, is giving much more longer life. How? You can always call us, we will explain you more in detail. So first we will explain you how is the static charge removal capacity actually for this iron gun. This iron gun removes the static charge very fast. For example, I am testing static charge on this product. So the static charge is around 1.77. Just a minute. So we have over here 4.32 kV. So it is not, this iron gun is not like other iron gun where you have to do operation for very long. So this iron gun is like finish. And now we see what is the maximum charge on this. Just in few seconds, the voltage charge has gone. Now coming to the point, this iron gun, what is so special in AGZ IV? Number one, this has a much bigger solenoid for large airflow. The large airflow comes from this tip. So if you want furthermore, so you can remove the smaller tip and you can have more air output, but it is not required. And the second point actually in this is, they have provided one LED. This LED actually will help you that when you are blowing on the surface, when the light goes on the surface, you can see the dust particles are there or not. This will help you in that. This iron gun also has a feature like if there is any error happen in the iron gun, this iron gun will stop. It will not allow air to pass. So LED will become red. Green means is okay. Then this iron gun has a 4 switches inside. So each switch has a different function. One of the most important function actually in this gun is if we switch on the third, this combination is already explained in the manual, but here we are just taking it like this. Okay, the third number switch I switch on, that means the LED will be on. Once we will blow, the LED will show you the surface also at the same time, so operator can have idea the dust is moved or not removed. Okay, that is one. And the second actually is like this is a continuous air, now it was blowing. So now let's say switch number 1, we switch it on the on position. This iron gun will perform pulse. So anybody understand, we say, and we say, the cleaning effect will be much better with the pulse. Now if the second switch also switch on, then the pulse become fast. Okay, and then there is a fourth switch. This will help for delay function in the light. For example, I switch it on, it works. After this, the light will delay for some time so that operator can inspect and switch off automatically. So this is a very good performing gun, and if there is any error, the gun is not supplying air, so your operator understand there is some problem. he may switch off and again on, it will start working, but within few seconds it will again create the problem. So the problem has many reasons. Most of the important reason is, you know, the moisture around the needle. If the moisture around the needle, the abnormal discharge happen, and then this red LED will glow, it will stop working. So operator cannot blow the air, so he always think, you know, there is some problem, it is not working well. So your process is satisfied actually by this mod. And this also has a handling, you know, hooking gun. You know, earlier it used to be some clip. Some customer they like that clip, some customer they don't like clip, but this is a permanent fixing. You know, you can have a balancer or something. Let's say, you know, there is no power, we just remove the power, but air is on. Okay, so if we at this moment, you know, sometime many time in the field we saw in the past that the power is not switch on, but the operator is just blowing the air, and he is thinking it is working, the gun is working. But here in AGZ IV, they have added the function that now air is on, but no output. So if there is a power off, nothing will happen. Now we will show you that the moment we will switch on the power, what will happen. Now we switch on the power, it start working. But the moment we move the power, no air. So that means you are sure that process is okay.